Assalamu alaikum, this is your brother Muhammad Arshad, and today I'm going to be talking about one childlike quality that I believe that all of us should possess. So, one of the things that children are great at is actually imagination. Now, imagination is something so powerful because it transforms you from where you are now to somewhere in the future. And this is so important for us as Muslims because the whole of our existence is based on the future. Muslims are not people that think of the present or the past, we think about the future, because when it comes to us being successful, it's all about the akhirah. And the akhirah is not something that we can see, it's not something that we can actually experience right now. And therefore it requires our imagination to be at that level where we can visualize it and bring it to life now, because bringing it to life now gives us the motivation to do amazing work and amazing things for the future. So today I'm actually in this massive palace in Abu Dhabi, and it's really an amazing sight to see, because every piece of stone or light or detail is absolutely amazing. It's just mind-blowing at how amazing it is. I'm just going to show you so you guys can have a little look around. This is like just the main courtyard, and then behind me you saw that sculpture that we've got of the Quran. It's absolutely amazing, really mind-blowing. Now obviously someone's had to take this and imagine it and take it to a place where it was something in their head and then it became something real for them. And when you come to a place like this, you're completely awestruck by it, because it just looks amazing. It's so huge, it's so beautiful. You can't even imagine living in it, never mind doing anything else, right? But the thing that makes me really wonder is that if a human being can create something so beautiful like this, right, then what about the palaces that Allah has created for us? This is nothing compared to Allah's palaces. This is nothing compared to what Allah has prepared for us, but this is mind-blowing. So in order for us to really make the most of our akhirah, we have to take our imagination back to the level when we were kids and start to imagine what it's going to be like with Allah, inshallah. And this is what I'm saying, that Alhamdulillah, seeing places, traveling, all of this stuff really helps us to improve our visualization, to improve our imagination. And so when we start imagining, once we start kind of thinking about these things, it really brings that motivation. It increases that hunger and that desire for us to go out there and do the good deeds, because we know that this stuff, which basically is not possible for almost anyone in the world, like this palace I'm in right now, I think 99.9999% of humanity would never ever dream of actually even visiting this place, never mind owning it. But Allah actually gives every single person a chance to make and own and have something much better than this, much better than anyone can ever imagine, just by doing righteous deeds. And even if you do righteous deeds and then up to scratch, then Allah will forgive the mistakes and He will reward you with something much better than all of this. So that's just a quick reminder. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and inshallah we'll see you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.